Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. For over 25 years, the Wilson Hyper Hammer has been a go-to choice for beginner tennis players, earning a reputation as one of the most accessible and effective rackets for newcomers to the game. Its lightweight design, weighing just 8.96 ounces, allows for effortless swinging, which means players can enjoy extended court sessions without experiencing the typical shoulder or elbow fatigue. This makes it perfect for beginners who are still building strength and endurance. The racket's oversized 110 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, giving new players confidence when hitting off-center shots and helping them consistently achieve more accurate serves and returns. Its balanced frame allows for smooth handling and control, making it easier for beginners to develop proper swing mechanics and experiment with spins and shot shapes. The Hyper Hammer makes it surprisingly easy to generate power without compromising control, which accelerates skill development and keeps the game fun. What truly sets the latest Hyper Hammer apart is its value. It offers many of the features of a mid-range racket but comes with a beginner-friendly price, making it an excellent choice for those entering the sport without a heavy investment. Whether you're learning your first serve or practicing volleys, the Hyper Hammer delivers a forgiving, comfortable, and enjoyable experience on the court. Available in multiple grip sizes, 4-inch, 4-1/8, 4-1/4, 4-3/8, and 4-1/2, it's easy to find the perfect fit for your hand. At 27.5 inches in length, this racket is designed to maximize reach and playability while keeping the game light and fun. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. Well crafted and highly regarded by players of all levels, including professional athletes, the Babolat Boost series is a reliable choice for anyone entering the world of tennis. One player shared that Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, and the Boost S exemplifies why. Designed specifically with beginners in mind, this racket delivers everything you need to enjoy the game without any unnecessary complexity. The Boost S is engineered to add extra boost to your shots, helping new players generate power while keeping control and comfort at the forefront. Its 9.8-ounce construction strikes the perfect balance, light enough for smooth, effortless swings but solid enough to drive through shots with confidence. The 102 square inch head offers a forgiving sweet spot that makes off-center hits easier to handle, helping beginners build consistency in their serves and returns. Like the Wilson Hyper Hammer, the Boost S sits in the ideal range for affordability, making it accessible to new players looking to upgrade from standard entry-level rackets. Its combination of performance, comfort, and value makes it an excellent stepping stone for those serious about improving their game. Measuring 27 inches in length and available in multiple grip sizes, 4-1/8, 1, 4-1/4, 2, and 4-3/8, 3, the Babolat Boost S is easy to customize for a perfect fit. Whether you're practicing volleys, refining your backhand, or learning your first serve, this racket provides the ideal mix of power, precision, and comfort for any beginner looking to take their tennis skills to the next level. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's be upfront, the Wilson Clash 108 V2 is not the cheapest racket on the market. However, for beginners who are committed to improving their game or simply appreciate high-quality equipment, this racket is worth every penny. Designed for comfort, it's one of the most forgiving and player-friendly rackets available, making long practice sessions enjoyable without causing strain on your arm, shoulder, or elbow. The Clash 108 V2 delivers a perfect balance of responsive power and precise control, helping beginners develop consistency while exploring every aspect of their game. Its 108 square inch head features an enlarged sweet spot, providing added forgiveness on off-center hits and reducing the frustration of mishits. This means players can focus on learning proper techniques rather than worrying about mishits, boosting confidence and accelerating skill development. While the price may seem steep compared to standard entry-level rackets, this model is built to last. Its durability and high-quality construction ensure it will withstand years of regular play, making it a smarter investment than cheaper, sub-$100 options that often wear out quickly. For beginners ready to take their game seriously, starting with a high-caliber racket like the Clash 108 V2 can make a noticeable difference in performance and enjoyment. Measuring 27.25 inches in length and available in multiple grip sizes, 4-inch, 0, 4-1/8, 1, 4-1/4, 2, 4-3/8, 3, and 4-1/2-4, this racket can be tailored to fit any player comfortably. Its combination of comfort, power, and accuracy makes it an ideal choice for beginners looking to invest in a racket that will grow with their skills. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Geo Speed is another standout value option from one of tennis's most trusted brands, designed with beginner players in mind. This racket combines a large hitting surface with durable construction, two features that make it an excellent choice for new players looking to build confidence on the court. Its 27.5-inch length is particularly helpful for smaller players with shorter swings, while also offering extra reach for beginners of all sizes just learning proper technique. While it's not a premium, pro-level racket, the Geo Speed delivers exactly what new players need, a forgiving, easy-to-handle option that helps them enjoy the game without feeling overwhelmed. The 105 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, making it easier to connect with the ball and execute consistent shots. Its solid construction ensures it can withstand regular play, whether during practice sessions or weekend matches with friends. What makes this racket especially appealing is its price-to-performance ratio. It's an ideal choice for noobs or anyone seeking a recreational racket to complement their gear collection without breaking the bank. Lightweight at 10.4 ounces and built for ease of use, it allows beginners to focus on learning proper swing mechanics while enjoying the game. Measuring 27.5 inches in length and featuring a 4-3/8 grip, the Geo Speed is easy to handle and comfortable to hold, providing a positive first experience for anyone stepping onto the court. For players looking for a practical, affordable, and beginner-friendly racket, the Geo Speed is a reliable pick that won't disappoint. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. The latest Wilson Burn racket isn't just stylish, it's a top choice for beginner tennis players looking for a lightweight, easy-to-swing option that minimizes joint strain. Perfect for long practice sessions or marathon matches, this racket allows players to maintain comfortable swings without sacrificing control or precision. Its well-balanced design offers impressive stability and maneuverability, giving beginners the confidence to experiment with different strokes and techniques. Despite its lightweight 9.7-ounce frame, the Burn delivers powerful performance thanks to its stiff, durable carbon fiber construction. This combination of lightness and strength allows players to generate speed and spin without feeling fatigued, making it ideal for those just starting to develop their game. The 100 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, making it easier to connect with the ball and reducing mishits, key benefits for anyone learning the fundamentals of tennis. Another appealing feature of the Burn racket is its accessible price point. Positioned in the mid-range category, it strikes the perfect balance between affordability and high-quality performance, making it an excellent option for beginners who want a dependable racket without overspending. Measuring 27 inches in length and available in multiple grip sizes, 4-inch, 0, 4-1/8, 1, 4-1/4, 2, and 4-3/8, 3, the Wilson Burn is easy to handle and comfortable for a wide range of players. Its combination of lightweight ease, power, and maneuverability makes it a standout choice for beginners seeking a reliable racket to improve their skills and enjoy long, injury-free sessions on the court.